Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. Everyone is kind of moving their heads. Is that kind of like the green light?
Yeah.
Okay. We have a young diabetic patient who presents to our office today for just basically routine nail care. You know, we have always spoken about prevention, right? Mm-hmm. Patient comes here every 6 to 8 weeks, I believe. Just for the routine nail care, make sure everything is okay, no open lesions, no possibilities of infection, right? So, you know, a lot of people have asked me, Dr. Wagner, can you maybe put together a video on how to trim the big toenails? You know, fungal toenails, thick, discolored, you know, really, really tough. Yeah. And that's exactly what we're gonna go ahead and do today. So without further ado, Caesar, you're looking mighty spiffy today, man. Look, we got to show everyone what you're wearing today. What do you think? He looks like a chef. The patient just so happens to be a chef. So it makes sense, right? Yeah. Caesar's dressed for Halloween. Let's get to work. You know, his nails are very, very thick, discolored. They're actually pretty hollow underneath, a lot of subungual debris. You know, we were just talking with the patient that we're going to make further recommendations for, you know, to prevent otherwise the what we call the onychomycosis, also known as fungus among us. Okay, so we'll kind of start like this. Caesar, watch out. So we'll start with the distal portion of the nail, very carefully, kind of like that. Just kind of work our way proximal. Caesar is definitely prepared today. He's wearing his shower cap, his KN95 mask. Yeah, right? Meanwhile, Dr. Wagner is wearing absolutely nothing. What's wrong with this picture here today? So he's got some green, looks like sour cream under there. Yeah. We're gonna get there though. You see that, Caesar? Okay. I like to use a big nail nipper, the double action, first, and then we'll use our curette. Get to the corners like this. We'll remodel first a little bit. I like to come at an angle. Oh. Come under here like this. And we'll take our little double action. A little curette here. It's pretty tough. I like to use sometimes even a 15, you know, very carefully, right? Like that, you see? Very carefully. Patient is diabetic, let's not forget. Like that. It's a little bit easier to use this than the nipper. especially when you have this little ledge here on the distal. A lot of people use this technique with a 15. It's a lot easier than using the curette. The curette is called a sharp curette, so we definitely need to be very careful with that. Here. Okay, so now what we'll go ahead and do is kind of just Dremel everything away. Kind of go in here. Looking much better. Let's go to the other side. Okay, so the right one is I think it's pretty much the same. Let's go ahead and start. You're definitely eating your Wheaties, and I can tell Caesar's definitely hiding behind the camera. Caesar, would you care for a little bit of cornflakes?
No, thank you. I'll pass.
Bombs away. So again, we'll start by just kind of chipping away. Slowly. This is all loose here. We'll go ahead and take our 15 for that. Check over here. These nails can easily cause some major issues long term. Thank you, my friend. Just carefully here. This is just a lot of debris. Looks like cornbread. Oh yeah, this one's definitely very brittle. And these are extremely painful, right? I'm sure when you're you know, at work. Any pain with the shoes that you use?
No.
Not really? You probably wear very comfortable shoes, I suspect,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's probably why. I'm just kind of making everything kind of mushy. Right? Slowly but surely, we're getting there. I'm trying to take it as far back as possible. Now I'm going to take our little Dremel. Okay.
Good. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, my friend. How does it feel?
Very good.
Define good.
Yes.
Good, good, or just good?
It's a very good.
Very good. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. You know, what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to implement a very robust fungal eradication program, just like we spoke. We'll make further recommendations, right?
Okay.
The truth of the matter is that, I mean, how long have you had this for? A very long time?
What?
The nails like this?
The last time I cut it was you cut it.
I'm sorry?
Last time I cut it was you cut it here.
Right. No, but I'm saying, how long have they been kind of yellow, ugly, thick? Years?
Yes.
Many, many years.
Yes.
So the point is that, you know, when patients have this clinical presentation, it's very difficult to treat and to eradicate. The word cure we don't use here,
Okay.
right? Cure. No cure. Management. That's the key,
Okay.
right? You hear that if a doctor tells you, no, we can cure, to a certain extent, right?
Yeah.
Super. So, you know, for all the people out there, if you like this video, you know, please leave comments. We love comments. the good, the bad, the ugly, and the real ugly, for all those wonderful people out there. You know who you guys are. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. For the people that have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. You guys will thank us. You know, education continues to be at the core of what we do from day one. So we try to educate the world that, you know, that these procedures, that these techniques, that the, you know, the management of certain issues do exist. And our goal is to continue to educate, you know, everyone. By the way, thank you for all the wonderful comments from all of the subscribers. You guys know who you are. You know, we were just talking about it today, that a lot of, you know, when we first started this channel, I still recall a lot of the people that have been with us, right? And that continue to comment on all of these great videos, right? So thank you for all this, you know, the wonderful support after so many years. We really appreciate that on behalf of the entire organization. As always, please leave comments. Like I said, for all the people that have not subscribed to our channel, please, you know, we would be honored more than anything to have you guys on board. As always, thank you for watching.